National Pollution Control Day is used to celebrate by many of the people to give them proper knowledge about the effects and the problems of the pollution in the world on the 2nd December. It is used to make the people aware of the various effects and its problem on the people living in every country. 2021 themes is the theme of National Pollution Control Day 2021 is like any other years raise awareness about the importance of pollution control and educate people on how to prevent pollution. It is very difficult to tackle and handle the situation of pollutions when there is a big effects of pollution on the environment. Pollution is involved due to many of the reasons like the bursting of the crackers, vehicles running on the roads, bomb blast in some areas, and many other reasons. The pollution problem is nowadays getting bigger in many of the countries, and the governments need to reduce or stop the pollutions from many of the ideas and plans. The government has very type of plan to reduce pollution as it can't be able to remove pollution from every country. It is very important to manage pollutions for making the environment clean and better to live in it. Every people in the world are used to live in a proper environment where there is no pollution in it. People need to get every knowledge of the pollution to reduce it for making a better world to clean environment without pollution. In Delhi, there is a lots of pollutions problem caused due to vehicles and other reason by which people are used to getting suffered by many of the disease. So the government had made various laws and rules to reduce pollution by decreasing the vehicles to run on the roads. Due to a decrease in vehicles, the pollution in the air is decreased and the people can be able to live without any problem. The pollution problem mainly occur in those areas where there are lots of vehicles running on the road. It is the responsibility of the government to control pollutions and to make a better world without pollution. A pollution free environment is very necessary for every people to do all the tasks in a better way and to remain disease free. Without pollution, the environment is very useful to keep and people to get their tasks completed in better way. Pollution can result in making the people avoid concentrations in any of the activities which can result in incomplete of their goals. So every people need to reduce pollution by reducing the polluted activities such as avoid bursting of the crackers, avoid running of the vehicles on the road, avoid pollution the water by the chemicals. Every people needs to adjust as per the environmental problems to make the people get relief from many of the pollution effects. It is quite dangerous for the environments when the level of pollution gets an increase in the environment. So people should be aware of the pollution effects and its preventions to be taken for protecting the natural environments.